COVID, RSV, influenza. Health officials call it the infection trifecta, and they say 'tis the season for these viruses.
3 hospitals in Metro Detroit and another in Grand Rapids are putting visitor restrictions in place because of rising cases of respiratory illnesses.
Now, that's not happening here, but cases are going up. News 10's Maya Kuznicki tonight with ways to stay healthy for the holidays.
It's that time of year again, virus season. Whether it's the flu, COVID, or RSV, viruses are getting passed around.
Pretty much since the week after Thanksgiving, I've seen a big increase just in the number of both in-person and video visits that I'm seeing for upper respiratory illness complaints.
Sparrow nurse practitioner Katie Stanulis says for most people, RSV is a common respiratory virus, but that's not the case for at-risk groups such as infants.
Their immune system and their lungs are not fully developed, so they are more susceptible to complications from RSV.
But there are very simple ways to stay healthy and keep others from getting sick.
Like really good hand washing, covering coughs and sneezes, trying not to share food or drink.
Don't be the one that's going to spread this off to your family members. Give it to grandma and grandpa or your new niece or nephew, right?
To minimize the spread of viruses like RSV at Caterpillar Corner Learning Center in Holt, Program Director Caitlin McLemore says cleanliness is a top priority.
Sanitation happens daily, all the time, whether someone is sick or not.
The Child Care Center also has policies in place for when kids get sick.
If a child has a fever or any symptoms, that they're monitored or sent home so that they can see a doctor. And we do have a time frame where the fever has to break, and then they can come back after 24 hours from that.
Hoping to keep kids and their families safe. Amaya Kuznicki, News 10.
And there are RSV vaccines for people ages 60 and older and for women in weeks 32 to 36 of their pregnancy. Doctors encourage you to talk to your healthcare provider to find out more.